Macbeth, Act 1, Scene 6, Summary and Analysis. Shortly after Macbeth, King Duncan arrives at Macbeth's castle in Inverness, along with Banquo, his sons Malcolm and Donalbain, and the other thanes and attendants. Duncan comments on how pleasant and inviting the castle appears, unaware of the murderous plans being set in motion inside its walls. They are then warmly greeted by Lady Macbeth, who flatters Duncan and speaks with great hospitality, creating a facade of loyalty and respect. She welcomes them into the castle. Analysis. In this brief scene, Shakespeare creates tension through the use of dramatic irony. The audience has already been made aware of Lady Macbeth's evil desires in the previous scene, so Duncan's effusive praise of the castle creates a stark contrast between the plotting and deception of Macbeth and Lady Macbeth in Act 1, Scene 5. Lady Macbeth's composure and ability to mask her true intentions highlights her cunning and manipulative nature to the audience. She perfectly embodies the advice she has given to Macbeth in the previous scene. Look like the innocent flower, but be the serpent under it. Her hospitality, therefore, is a carefully crafted act, emphasizing one of the play's key themes, appearance versus reality. The idea that appearances can be false. Remember, Shakespeare was writing in the aftermath of the Gunpowder Plot of 1605, where Catholic plotters attempted to assassinate James I and blow up the Houses of Parliament in protest at James's Protestant kingship. Shakespeare was living in a time where lies, deception, and plotting had been rife in court, and therefore creates parallels to the plot of Macbeth. Yet Shakespeare is also careful to present Duncan, Scotland's true king, as a kind and worthy man, so as not to offend his own monarch. Key quote analysis. Consider how Duncan's language is filled with pleasant imagery of beauty and nature. His comment, "This castle hath a pleasant seat. The air nimbly and sweetly recommends itself unto our gentle senses," makes him seem righteous and benevolent, and echoes the Jacobean belief in the great chain of being, where kings were chosen by God in authority over humans and all of nature. Duncan's language evokes a sense of harmony, which identifies him as a godly king. This serves to heighten the sense of injustice that Macbeth could consider murdering him. However, the audience may interpret Duncan's lack of suspicion as naive. Since the audience is already in on the plot to kill him, the dramatic irony emphasizes Duncan's naivety. In Act 1, Scene 2, he admitted his failure to spot the treachery of the previous Thane of Cawdor in "There's no art to find the mind's construction in the face," and this brief scene confirms he has not learned his lesson.